Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okerzinski with your Week 13 screencast video. This week is drafting week. Everything's coming to a head for our last unit. The first draft is due on Tuesday. Then the peer review process continues throughout the week. Both peer reviews, 1 and 2, are due on Friday. And then your final essay assignment is due on Sunday, along with blog post 4. I'll post a separate screencast video for the reflection and close the course next weekend. For the first draft, let me head over to the course units. And let's get into the ethnography unit. Okay, so as I scroll on down, the first draft in the assignment section. Okay, I'm looking for a hard copy, a document upload of your sections as it states here. That way I can review some of the content. I will save my assessment of your Weebly web link for the final draft. So here is the final draft assignment. All you will do is just open this up. If Blackboard ever opens up. And you will turn around, write my submission. And in the text editor box here, all you have to do is make sure that you post the published link to your Weebly. Please be aware that I need the published link in order to view. All right, so that means you'll have to leave the build site and look at it like any other person would view your web page, your published link. Copy and paste that into the text submission box here and click on submit, and then your task is over. All right. Returning to the final discussion board, I believe. Here we go. Discussion board. It is the typical process. Now, if you would like to get some feedback for your website, if you've moved this along and you have some content that everyone could look at, you can turn around and not only upload and your hard copy so your classmates can review your content. You can also include the hyperlink to your Weebly. So if you choose to write a peer review on someone who has uploaded their link, be sure to address the issues in the draft report that your classmates might fill out and ask about, and include that in along with the content review of your of the Weebly project, the last essay. All right. So it's kind of straightforward. A little extra step because of the link and also the hard copy content. If you have any questions, please send me an email. I'll do my best to return them as quickly as possible. Yes, this is the final week, regular week of the class. And like I said, I will once again post a wrap up video, talk about the final reflection. Grading will be done as soon as humanly possible so everyone can get an idea of where they sit um, in the course. All right. Once again, any questions? Please send me an email. Good luck.